If you were injured in a Lyft accident in Oakland, whether you were a passenger, a driver, or hit by a rideshare vehicle, the truth is, your case is going to be more complicated than a typical car crash. And if you don't understand how rideshare insurance works, you could end up settling for way less than you deserve. At Quirk Reed, we've helped people across the Bay Area recover compensation after Lyft accidents. And here's what we want you to know. Lyft's insurance policy does provide coverage, but it depends entirely on what phase of the ride the driver was in. Were they waiting for a ride? On the way to pick someone up? Actively transporting a passenger? Each phase comes with different levels of liability coverage, and that affects how your claim is handled. And here's where it gets tricky. You're not dealing with just one insurance company. There could be multiple, all pointing fingers at each other. That's why these cases require a law firm that understands California's insurance laws and how to hold both Lyft and the individual driver accountable when necessary. You might be entitled to more than just coverage for your ER visit. Many people don't realize that you can also recover for follow-up treatment, missed income, future rehab, emotional trauma, and even rideshare-specific impacts like anxiety about getting in a Lyft again. And if you're unsure whether you have a case or if Lyft already made you an offer, don't sign anything until you talk to an attorney. Insurance adjusters are trained to move fast and offer you just enough to settle before you know what your claim is actually worth. We step in to protect your rights and make sure your recovery includes the full picture of what you've lost. Whether you were a passenger in a Lyft, a pedestrian hit by one, or a driver struck by a distracted rideshare operator, we'll walk you through your legal options. We'll investigate the crash, gather records, and coordinate with medical providers to build a case that's as strong as the injury is real. At Quirk Reed, we never charge anything up front. You pay nothing unless we win your case, and we're known for handling complex rideshare claims with strategy and care. Don't wait and hope things work out. Lyft accident claims have strict time limits and multiple layers of insurance to untangle. The sooner you call us, the better we can protect your rights and maximize your recovery. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's talk about what really happened and how to make it right.